Welcome to Olusegun Maths Clinic. Today's video want to explain the integration by substitution. The integration by substitution is one of the methods in use to solve a complex questions, a difficult questions in integration. And by using this substitution method, it makes it easier to integrate. So let's see this question. It said, using the substitution sine theta is equal to z, find the value of I. Integral sine square theta cos square theta d theta. In solving this question, the first thing you are going to do is you write out the sine theta. If our sine theta is equal to z, you can rewrite it to have our z is equal to sine theta. Let's differentiate this z with respect to theta. So by differentiating z with respect to theta, we have the z, the theta is equal to cos theta. So if the z, the theta is equal to cos theta, let's try to cross multiply. We have the z is equal to cos theta d theta. We need this to substitute. We have to substitute this to this. How? So the value of I now give us, this is what we are to find, sine square theta cos theta d theta. But you know that cos theta d theta have represented the z. So if this has represented this, it means our I is equal to integral sine square theta. You just have to write the z. So this is just it. And what is the value of z already given? Our z is given to be sine theta. Let's also substitute. That is why we are using the method to make it easy to integrate. Therefore, we have is equal to integral our z, we have z square dz. If you're able to see clearly now, it is not easy to integrate. So with this, you can able to integrate directly to now have. We have our I to give us z raised to power 3 over 3 plus constant. So this is a value. But to get the final answer, you must substitute the value because the question has been written before that you must substitute. So therefore, the final answer for I now give us what is our z? Sine cube theta over 3 plus constant. So this is the value for this question. So this is the answer for this question. So it is so very simple and easy to solve. Don't forget to share this video because for those that need it, it's very so easy. And don't forget to subscribe if you are new to this channel, so you'll be gaining anytime I'm releasing a video. My name remains the same, Olusegun Adelekun.